Come on. How you are coming to class? How you are coming to the class? You are sweating like this much, or? So when you say you're running, so running, you are running to class, or you started like that? Good afternoon to you all. Okay. So, good evening. Yes.
Good evening. Good evening.
Okay. Yeah. Not good. Oh. Yes. Homeworks were there. Hello. What was the homework, my friend? Sorry, homework exercise 3.2 and 3.2. The done comes. Doubts are there in which exercise. What is now when anyone is revising this under test is there, you know now?
Yes.
Huh? Revising now? Formal identities all of you learned. Today you all are supposed to learn the identity and come now. Those who learn, sit down. Common, those who first of all, those who have done learn the identity and those who have done the homework, please sit down. What did you do? Identity not done. Rajdeep, what is your case? Why are you standing? Homework not done. What done?
The homework is done, but not.
You have not learned identity. You don't know identity.
Sir, I know, but I have not learned.
So then you have to daily have to revise. What happened? So what does what happened? Identity not done. It is so difficult to learn. I think 2 times you should read, 2 or 3 times reading all together. 3 times reading, how much time you need? I got 3 minutes. And you? What is your case? Homework is done. Identity not done. Yeah. Gurpreet, what is your case? Same. Identity not learned. The identity learning is a difficult task. Sit down, all of you. Graph here. You learn now? What happened here? Yeah. What is it? First of all, tell your doubts.
Sir, when exercise 3.3 class works 4, 5, 6, 7.
Listen. Class to exercise 3.2. Any problem is there? No problem. Okay. Exercise 3.3. Huh?
Last of exercise 4, 5, 6, 7.
Last of question.
4, 5, 6.
Why is 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, reason? 3.3. 4, 5, 6 is telling. Okay, read 3.3, 4.
So a rectangle PQRS and which vertices PQRS are 1, 4, minus 5, 4, minus 5, 3 and 1.
What is the problem? You know how to plot these points in the graph paper. Join it, you will get the rectangle now. You didn't try. Tommy, where you done? Actually, I will come here. Let's go to Patel. This from here. Brother is there now. Come, move from here, shout me, come. You are in which floor? 12th floor. So from here, exactly. What's your brother's name? Ritvik. Advik. So call him.
Yes, he only does. I will never job.
So, now, tell what is the first point?
The field 1,
1, 4. This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So P is here somewhere. Are we followed? This is P. 1, 4. Then
Q is minus 5 comma 4.
Minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Minus 5. Deliver this way.
Yes.
Q is minus. What is the problem? Then
Then R is minus 5 comma minus.
minus 5, minus 3. I'm not writing all the vertices, okay? This is coming over here, R. You will mark somewhere else. I know it. Yes, sir. Then
But then this is
1 comma. The joining is take the scale and join. Okay. So rectangle. Are you followed? All of you, how many of you got this figure? Those who got this figure, those you all are not done. Done or not done? Did you get this figure? I think nobody is responding. Those who got this figure, stand up. Where is it? Where is it? Ah, keep quiet now. Sit down. Nobody has done. What is that? No, what was the homework you done, Happy? What homework you done? 3.2. 3.3 I will do. 3 questions. This is 3.3 classwork question number 3. Question number 4. Actually, that also not found out. But you have done this all? No. You all done? No. Then what homework you have done? This is clear, all of you? You can do it yourself. Respond. Can you do it? Next one. Read the 4th question. Then 5th question.
Find the coordinates of the vertices of the square ABCD side 2A.
So vertices of the square ABCD, whose side is equal to how much? 2A.
First, taking AB and AD as axes.
First is AB and open your notebook. It is not the graph one. AB and AD. Did you all read the question? Rajdeep, do you know which question we are doing? Where? Which exercise? All of you read the question. Avnish, all of you read yourself that question. Can you draw a rough thing in your notebook? There is a square ABCD. Do you know what is the meaning of square ABCD? What is the meaning of square? Nobody responded. Neha, all the 4 sides are equal and 4 angles are equal how much? 90 degree. Now, what is given? AB and AD are the axes. So, if I draw this way, this is the shape of the square or not? Yes or no? Now, over here. So, if I take A, B, C, D. If AB and AD are the axis means, then AB will be which axis? X axis. AD will be, then what will be A? Origin, because X axis and Y axis. So your figure will be this way. This is X, this is Y. Okay, X dash, Y dash. All the sides length is how much? 2A. This is 2A, this is 2A, this is 2A, this is 2A. Now tell me, what will be the coordinate of A? Loudly. 0, 0. Not who said 0? 0 coordinate means you have to tell not 0, 0, 0. Who can tell coordinate of B? 2A, 0. Then coordinate of C. How much is? Both are 2A na? 2A, 2A. This is C. Then what is coordinate of D? Huh? 0, 2a. It is on y-axis. Are you followed? First you draw the followed or not? Is it draw this figure? What you do not follow? Understood? Which part you do not follow? This is 2a and this is 2a means what is this one? So what is the x value 2a? What is the y value 2a? 2a, 2a. And this point B is on which axis? X axis. So 2a, 0. See, D is on. Are you followed? Okay, first you write and below you will write the final answer. Fast. Scale, look, where is the scale and pencil? Get one for me, okay? Another one. And bring this marker to cross section. Take out the scale and pencil, all of you. Notebook. Fast. What you're thinking is going to do is fast now. That length and all you don't need to measure directly, just write a figure first. Nobody is going to measure. Okay. Now, done all of you. Mark. What she's doing? There is a scale now. You got wrong. Fast draw. First making the square. Got it. ABCD mark. Right below the answer. There are two cases. This is the first part. First part. Shall I tell? When AB and AD are the axis. Okay. AB is x-axis. AD is y-axis. A is origin. Therefore, coordinates right. A 0, 0. B 2a, 0. C 2a, 2a. D 0, 2a. Is the first answer. First question is AB and AD are the axis, so you know. Completed all of it.
Yes, sir.
Pakka. If you completed, read the second part and draw the figure and show me these. All of you. Shreya, write fast. Yui, do it fast. Second part. Let's see which brain works. Draw the figure and show. Then after that we will. Waiting, not follow. Read once again, then you will get once or twice read, then you will get the idea. Gurpreet, read.
Taking the center of the square as origin and axis parallel to the side AB of AD.
This is A, B, C, D. Yes or no? So what is the origin is taken? Center. Huh? Center of the square now. And from your axis you draw parallel. Nobody could draw. Nobody could draw. Are you followed or not? He's making you. Are you true originally exact and y axis path now? Hello, hero. Hey. This was so complicated to understand. Now look here. Completed. After completing, listen. At a fast draw. This is taking a lot of time for you people. No need to make one page big to square. Little smaller square also you can make. Now. This much is drawn and all of you listen here now. Do you know what you have to find out? Did you draw x-axis, y-axis? Put arrow on both sides. Now look here. We have to find out the vertices of A, B, and C and D. Coordinates of A, B, C, D. Where is A? Here. Where is A? Here. Where is A? Loudly tell. Third coordinate. At least one girl. Thank you. Nobody others. Where is it? You also did not tell. I did not hear. Loudly speak them. A is in the third quadrant. B, fourth quadrant. C, first quadrant. Second quadrant. That means you have followed. You will listen painting later. Now, what is the length of AB? It is given now 2A. Then what will be this one? A. This also A. All these will be A now. Okay. This much is all of you followed. This all. Okay. Now, look here. Tell me where is the vertex A? Coordinate of A. Who can tell? Raise the hand. Coordinate of A. Yes, Park. Very good. Mine. It is in the third quadrant now. Nobody is responding. Minus A. Very good. Who can tell B? Who can tell B? Yes.
Minus A comma A.
Wrong.
A comma minus A.
A comma minus A. Fourth quadrant. What? Who can tell C? Yes. A comma A. Who can tell D? Boys, nobody. Yes. Bharat. Bharat. You tell the Bharat what is the answer? Minus A comma A. Are you followed? Okay. So write down. Figure it down. Below right. When the center is, what is it? Center is origin. Second question, second part. Center origin. Origin. Okay. Then coordinate of A. If you want to write A is in this all quadrant, you write A is minus A comma minus A. B, A comma minus A. C. What is C? A comma A. D minus A comma A. Hope all of you followed. Hello. Oi. Nobody is responding. Gurpreet, are you followed here?
Yes.
You used to tell, now you also is quiet. Okay, all these four you got it. No problem. Try to cut here. Write neatly here. Your brother will write better than this one. I'll call him. When writing, you do write with the pen. Neatly, next class or other can make it on imposition later. My examiner, recent writing me teacher will just cross it. I can't read. Understood? Now he's sleeping only more. Okay, this is followed. Now what is your doubt? First, sixth one. First, this is done. Okay, you will read the sixth question. Louis. What happened?
At the point A, 2 comma 0, B, minus 6 comma 0, and C, D, comma A minus B lie on the x-axis and calculate the value.
How do you find out? Where is your volume? Huh? Oh, you can use your volume and you can use your volume. So very speak my goodness. There are 4 people sitting. You come at 6:30. You see how many people are sitting. And all I those three. Okay. Now look here. When the point is on x-axis, what is the speciality? Yeah. When the point is on x-axis, then value of y will be 0. That means what will be 0? A minus 3 should be 0. Means A minus 3 equal to 0 means how much? A minus 3 equal to 0 means A will be equal to 3. Understood or not? Yes or no? Right. When if a point is on the x-axis, then your own statements you can write, okay? If a point, write with the pen, my dear. Pen also write with the pencil. If a point is on the x-axis, then y coordinate is 0. Then y coordinate is 0. Written, therefore, a minus 3 equal to 0. That is a equal to 3. These are important type of questions, okay? A minus 3 equal to 0, therefore a is equal to 3. Understood all of you? Yes. There's a misunderstanding. Most of you did not do the homework. Now, what is doubt? Hey, Ariman.
Yes, sir. The homework exercise.
All of you listen here. Hello, I will give one stab. Vertices of the triangle, be listening all to make the triangle. You will do one second, okay? All of you listening here. This exercise, the homework now itself I am telling you. This chapter is easy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I asked you people to do daily how many times? Till the exam, till the Sunday test paper is there, no? So we will do 6 chapter now. Okay, when is your exam? 26 June. That is why I keep on asking which chapters are there. We should never say. When did you get the syllabus? Not here. Okay. Okay, so we will do 6 chapter now. Okay. Now listen. We started 6 chapter. Now you have to this Sunday there is the test is there now second chapter. So you will be doing the homework of exercise of 3.3 plus the remaining. Daily you do tangents and sums from where polynomials. So that you will study. Otherwise you will not do anything. Clear? Not studying. Not studying. Not studying. Okay. So do it. Now, all of you take the graph paper. Who is that? Yeah. Write the question. Plot. Write the question. Plot the points. Actually, all graph paper, graph books are not good. But the graph book is not there. Write in the notebook. I think graph book is there on the other side right now. Plot the points. Not in the graph paper, in the notebook you write. A, B, C, D. Plot the points A, B, C, D. Write this one. Written then below. ABCD means A, B, where ABCD means A, B, C, D coordinates also right. Okay. Now, below right. Identify the type of quadrilateral. Identify the type of quadrilateral. Which type of quadrilateral? Identify the type of quadrilateral. Written. Next, also find its area. Also find its area. Now draw the graph. Let me draw the graph. 2 minutes time, we have to complete everything. What happened there? Also, that's all. Then continue. Draw the graph. Path area D. X-axis, Y-axis. Don't make this with big lines. Small lines is that okay? Even points also will work, okay? Fast. Scale is not there now. I'll buy one scale for you. I have at home. Enough, where how much you are going? This many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, enough, 1, 9, 1. Mark, again. What lines are marked? Everywhere is positive, not negative. This extra, everything is positive. Enough here till the end of the year, you don't need mark it fast. 2, 3, 4 is enough now. Where are you going further? Till 4 is enough. No worry beyond 4 is there. How much is there? What she is doing? 5, 4, 3 again writing. Why you are writing again and again? Where is the positive is negative is above or what? Shriya, what are you doing? Playing or what? Still, where is positive, negative also doesn't know. That is your. Enough, plot the points. Why are you making all these boxes over there? Do you need to plotting the point all boxes you need? Mark the dot. This way, look here. This way, dot is enough. No need to join here and here. If you have 10 points, you are joining that way. The graph is already on this. Now join ABC. Done. Origin who right? I will write origin. Yours is not neat. So okay. Both. Okay, don't do anything now. We are too fast. Then join ABCD. Where hello, good please. Done. Where is the coordinate mark? And what is the A? Coordinate right. Join it fast. What is he doing? Counting, And what is 4, 2? Where is How did you use this for 2 years? Can you hello? You do your how do you mark for 2? 4 is for x or y. The 4, this is 4. And 2, so it will be joining where? Here. Four minus 3 is here in this quadrant. It is in the first quadrant, second quadrant also. And 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3. So here, where is 4 minus 3 here? This is the easiest chapter. There also you take note. Right over here, outside, you have to join it. Now look at the board. What is this one? This is which point? That is minus 3, 2. See, everything wrong, no, minus 3, 2. You see, just then next is what? Minus 3, minus 3. Correct now? Name it as ABC. What is it? Join it. Done. Now look here. Your graph should have these things. Naman.
Yes, sir.
This way things will not work. Every coordinate was wrong for you. Now, I need in the graph, look over here. X dash, Y dash, origin. These all things are there or not in the graph, we check. Arrows on the both every corners. Then I don't need all 1, 2, 3 sum already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You don't need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Enough or okay, minus 4. Who's talking there? 1, 2. Rajdi, you don't know where is positive and negative and you're talking sitting. Next is minus 1. And where are these talking? Simply talking. Now look here. First is A. A is minus 3, 2. Listen. Minus 3, 2. See here and here. You don't need to join this one. Minus 3, A. Minus 3, 2. Then next is what? B, 4, 2. B, 4, 2. Mine I am drawing is rough. You have to graph is there. All lines are there. No need to join this and all. Understood? What? Getting ready for something? 6 long time is there. C, 4, comma minus 3. And D, how much? Minus 3, minus 3. All of you look at the figure. Is it the same way you want?
Yes.
Minus 3, minus 3. And all of you look in your graph. These all things are there. Your joining is done. This much is there. Okay. And look in your graph and yourself assess. Is it a neat figure you have drawn? Now, what are you writing? Next is copying from here and there.
Yes.
Listen, I will tell you now. Next graph is not over. How many of you wrote scale? Nobody. You took 1 centimeter now. So 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter on both axes. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter on both axes. That is the scale. Did you write? Write fast. Where? There is scale in the graph paper you have to write. Okay. 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Write heading scale. He wrote this one. Scale I will write for you. Shall I write for you? One more. How many mistakes you will? And this even joining also, my dear. This space got a bend or what?
So
Yes, sir.
can you- Where is this?
I know. Look here, this is the why there is a bend is here. If I know, I know what it is. And where it is still here only now. Then why it is gone beyond that? Now listen now. Lucid. Graphic is not doing now. Only one. You have. Huh? So why did you bring here? To show me. Now look. Don't you also Ariman also started all these games? Now, after that, the next is identify the type of quadrilateral. Who wrote? What did you write? ABCD is a rectangle. Did you write? In the notebook, write. In the ABCD is a rectangle. It can be a rectangle. Sometimes it is square. Then that time you have to write it as a square. Okay. Next is you have to find out area. What is the area of a rectangle? What is the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. Do you know what is the length? AB. Do you know how to find out?
7 centimeters.
How did he get 7? Bharat, tell me. Counting the number of squares is enough. Or scale also you can use. Count the number of squares. So AB is equal to 7. Don't write this centimeter. And AD is equal to 5. That also count the number of squares. Therefore, area is equal to area of ABCD is equal to AB into AD. That is equal to 7 into 5. 35 square units. Don't write that centimeter square, okay? Because now units are given, not square units. 7 into 5, 35. Number and followed. Pakka. I don't know. Pakka, but how many mistakes you made? Very bad. Done all of you? Pakka. No problem. This way identifying all of you can do. But this is why I am showing this one means you have to draw the vertex. That graph paper is there now. Okay. In the same graph paper, I need to see all of you mark these all points. Don't look at the other graph paper, others would. Mark in the graph paper this one. Who's talking there, Amnish? Bharat, stand up. Henceforth, Bharat will sit in the first bench. You remember that. If he doesn't sit, means you will be sitting over here. I'll make you to sit with the girls. To Radhi, okay. You tell this time or not, you tell me. These 4 points mark it. In the same graphic, we no need to make another graphic. Don't show to others. See that somebody is copying from me. Those who are done, stand up. Who's talking there? You know this man said yes. Good time is a nice one. Only 2 boys are done. Others are looking at each other. You're done with stand up there now. It's one neatly made here. Neatness is not associated with first also. Okay. This is minus 1. Huh? That's wrong. Those who are completed 4-point marking, you are taking 4 minutes or try to want coordinate. Name the coordinate and write the coordinate. Huh? Don't do anything, just mark. Where I will be joined now. This is P. I mean, 0. Come here. P is 1. P is 1. School, I will write for you. I'll write. Shall I write? Write everything. The other one is searching. P to the B is not copying from you. The all girls are done. Only the still. Whereas is not done. He is copying. Minus 2, 0. Minus 2 is in the here. This is minus 2, no? This, what is this one? This one. Then what is this one? I wrote. Huh? All wrong. Sit and do it. Here, what is it? I have not seen your graph. I'm telling you. Good free. You completed. So, but then stand up. Then I will check. Sit down. 5 minus 1 is in first quadrant. Then who I wrote? No. Huh? Sorry. 5 minus 1 is in which quadrant? Huh? Fourth quadrant. And where did you write? You also make mistakes. Don't do this way. Careful. Don't write equal to and B. Okay, B first you write this one. This is Q. This is Q. Then Q is this one now. Sleeping out this. Everyone new stories are made. Those are not completed. Stand up now. Stand up. Yeah. 4 people. It's so difficult to write now. Numbers not marking a single one. Yeah, I'm seeing. That is why I knew it. Who's in this book? Mera, what is this one? I will write for you. You will look other problems. You have to know it again now. This is the second time we are doing. Okay, why have you said Makika? Who asked you to do? I asked you to do in this one graph. Another one. Are you also saying you don't understand about? I thought. Don't disturb. Hello, you are done. You cannot erase that right now. Or these two both are same. Which is the point? Acha. Minus 2, 3. Where is minus 2, 3? What is this? Huh? Then what is this? One thing, 4 points to mark, even you cannot find out properly out. What is this one? Then what? Then you can around there, erase that one now. The teacher will tell you this one or this one. This is minus 2, 3. Minus. Then what is this one? Who asked you to connect? What connecting? Yes, this is SS here. The P is this one. What is this? I asked you. See. Good neatly, good please. Finally, what anything is marked? I don't know. I think 0, 0, 3, where is 0, 3? 0, 3 is on x-axis, then it. You do anything at home? Only sleeping now? Yes. Then what do you do? So, Vimata. 0, every day he will come up with a Vimata. Look here, it's wrong. 0, 3 is on y-axis. Minus 2, 0 is on x-axis. Yours is everything. Naman is going wrong. Brahman, you have to practice again and again. Otherwise, it will be problem. One, what was your problem? Where all we are marking? First of all, this is it. Where is this point? Where is this point? Y-axis. Naman, listen. Now you will not. Where is this point? X-axis. Fourth quadrant. Where is this point? X-axis. Where is this point? Second quadrant. So you have to see and then all X values, Y values. Still problems are there, coordinates. All of you listen here. The next class, again the graph paper bringing. All of you. No need to show one book. Sir, my book is some school notebook I brought. I don't know. Bring the graph, I will ask you to do this. Okay. How many sheets you need? Again, the next we need the graph. You get it. Where is the old graph book? 8th standard. This is from the school. School gave this one. Then school must be needing all these things. Oh, then bring this one and you can take it out now. Now. So graph is done. I thought graph all of you will do it, but some of the people made a lot of mistakes. Even all good people also made mistakes. Coordinates, please identify. Next class, once again, I will give the graph, then you will be doing. Chapter heading right, chapter 6. Lines and angles. Who that? Lines and angles. Written? Okay, close the audience. Right. Yeah. Lines and angles. Return and listen now. All of you know how to mark a point? Do you know how to mark a point? Yes, how to mark a point. Coordinate geometry is over. Now we are going to do the geometry. We are starting the geometry. How to mark? I'll mark point A and B. How will you do? Make some right? Point A and B means it lines to.
So if the value, if it has a value, you can.
What value? Geometry value is there. Geometry mark points A. What she said? 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Array coordinate geometry, coordinate is over. That is the graph. No, simply mark point A and B. Then how do you do it? You put one dot and name it A. Another dot, make it as B. If they have you, Avnish, painting is going on now. If it is making another point C, I can make point C. Are you followed? Points are marking. All of you know. And point A means capital letters A, B, C, D. Do you know what is the meaning of collinear points? Have you heard about the word collinear points? Listen. Anyone heard about collinear? Huh?
Ones on the same line.
They are lying on the same line. If it is passing through a line, see, you know how to, before that, do you know how to draw a line? All of you know how to draw a line. Journeying to how? Draw line AB means what did you do? Draw line AB means what you do. So you will draw this one and put 2 arrow marks. Yes or no? Then where will you put A and where will you put B? Open your mouth and tell this action.
Left side is right.
Left side and right side. One is in middle. Hello, listen. Gurpreet, what are you doing over here? Huh? Keep it and listen now. Now, how will you make? What is the length of this line? How will you measure? Huh? Can you measure this length? Why? So arrow on both sides means extend to both the directions. Can you tell these two lines which is smaller and which is longer? Which is a longer line? First one.
Sir, both are
There is no measurements because arrow mark means what? It is going to both the directions. Line means you take any point. Okay, this is taken A. Another point, if I want to take here, anywhere. This is called what? Line AB. How do you write line AB? Sometimes you will see this way. It's called line AB. Nowadays, always you see line AB. Are you followed? Okay. Any other way giving the name line? AB and BA same thing. Any other way? AB and BA same thing, I said. Huh? Are AB, PQ, C is the same thing, no? Any other way? Have we got line L? Oh, why don't open that with me? Okay. Okay, so line L. How do you, what is the meaning of line L?
Sir, I don't
Line L, line P. First time hearing. There is no point. This is called what? Line L. Line R. Are you followed? Okay. So two ways you can give the name. One small letter, that is line L. Capital letter means 2 points. Understood all of you? Do not make confusion. Line you're drawing because basic things. What is the name of this line? Line L. Suppose if I agree, what happened that the why you're talking all the time? Or because of you only Bharat is talking, no? Yes or no? Line ADC says. Any other name for this line? Line ABCD. There is no line ABCD. Line contains only 2 points to tell. Line AD, line AB, line BC, line CD, line AC. All of them are same line only. Understood or not? Any 2 points you take and give line AB. Understood? Followed all of you? Line. No problem. What is the difference between a line and a line segment?
Sir, line segment.
One of you tell. Raise the hand. Yes. Line segment is a fixed. What do you have to tell? Huh? It's a finite line.
Sir, it can be measured.
It can be measured. Anything else? Don't tell something. Line segment is the part of a line which having 2 endpoints. How many endpoints are there? 2 endpoints. Does the line got an endpoint? No. So if I draw this majorly, this will come as what? Line segment AD. We write simply you write, sometimes you write segment AD. Or even we will write, sometimes you will see this much. Or even AD, that's all. Nowadays you will see AD, that's all. AD means segment. What is the meaning of, what is the difference? Bharat, what is the difference between line and a line segment?
Line is extended and it is
Line is extended in both the directions indefinitely, isn't it? And whereas line segment is a part of the line having 2 endpoints. It got a fixed length, isn't it? We can measure and find out no fixed length. Are you following? Later I will not explain because these are the basics of geometry which you have done not now. Previously, I am revising the part once again. Understood now? Do you know what is the ray? Ray. Those who know, raise the hand. Those who are there, raise the hand, not open the mouth. Okay. 2 people are raised the hand. Others openly common. Yes, you.
Sir, it starts with the definite point and extends in the direction.
You.
Sir, the starting point is.
Extend one end point and extend the other direction. Can you measure the length of the ray? Can we measure the length of the ray? Yes or no? No. Ray is also part of a line. Look here. If I write this one. This is what?
Line.
Line AB. What is this? Line segment AB. What is this?
Ray.
Ray AB. Follow the difference. It has one endpoint, it has two endpoints, it has no endpoints. It's, you can measure the length of this one. You cannot measure this length, you cannot measure. All of you follow this match? Do you know what is the meaning of the word midpoint? Midpoint.
Sir,
Sir is not answer. Sir is midpoint. Yeah.
sir, a point that comes anywhere between.
Anywhere between. So this, so I'll write midpoint. Isn't it? That is called midpoint. Wrong. Middle of a line segment means what? It divides into two equal parts. What's the meaning of midpoint? Which divides into two equal parts. Divides into two equal parts. There is one word is there. Anyone know? Bisect. Who said bisect? Oh, very good. Bisecting. Oh, good, Preet. I feel. Okay. Bisecting. Bisecting means what? Divide into two equal parts. Here, C is the midpoint of AB. What is the meaning of C is the midpoint of AB? AC will be equal to BC, CB. Okay, if C is the, listen carefully. Later I will not ask you, I will not tell you. This will work. I will throw with you. First is Naman. Catch you will see. And that's the problem. मैंने कुछ भी नहीं किया नहीं. You are not going studying anything. That's why I'm doing. Study. Okay. Use your brain. Listen. AC is equal to CB or AC is equal to half AB. CB is equal to half AB. Or AB is equal to 2AC. Or AB is equal to 2CB. Who's that? Look, these all same meaning. Understood or not? Understood or not? Look at here. That is why you have to remember. These all are same meaning. What is the meaning? C is the multiple. C is the midpoint of AB. What is it? C is the midpoint of AB. When C is the midpoint, all these things are true. Now, what is the difference between CB and BC? What is the difference between CB and BC? They are same. Understood? CB and BC are the same thing, not the different things. Okay. Understood all of you? So line segment, all of you followed, line followed. Oh, Bharat, are you following? Yes, sir. Now listen, that is also known. Now, so we discussed what is a line, what is a line segment, what is a ray. Do you know what is an angle? Angle, A-L-E. Angle, question. You will study directly come to 9th standard. Angle and on 4th, 5th and 6th standard is correct. 4 angles are there. Angle, you know, how is an angle formed? Two triangles. Two rays having a common endpoint. Fighting is started. Listen. What is this? What is this? Angle. Rajdeep. What is the name of this angle? What is the name? All of you listen. What is the name of this angle? Angle ABC. What is B? Midpoint. What is B? Joining point. Wrong. B. B is called its vertex. What is first time hearing? Vertex. B is called the vertex. And what are these BA and BC? Arms of the angle or sides of the angle. Okay. Arms of the vertices. The plural now. Arms of the angle. Okay. This one we will geometry we will discuss. If you have the how many of you have the 8th standard textbook? Once you go through this one and some. Homework I already said what to do. and practice the polynomial chapter. Okay. चलो भाई. So, great book for
Pero